A hidden door adds mystery, charm, and a touch of clever design to any space. It's more than an entryway, it's an experience. Today we're exploring creative hidden door design ideas that blend function with imagination, turning everyday rooms into something unexpectedly exciting. In this video, we'll break everything down into 4 sections: camouflaged entrances, furniture integrated designs, architectural disguises, and playful statement concepts. These ideas show how a hidden door can be both practical and visually stunning. The first approach is blending the door seamlessly into the wall. When the surface patterns, textures, or colors align perfectly, the door almost disappears. This creates a clean, uninterrupted look that feels modern and mysterious. Whether it's part of a continuous wall or a subtle panel design, camouflaging the door keeps the space minimal while adding a sense of intrigue. If these creative hidden door ideas amazed you, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who loves secret spaces and clever home design. Some of the most creative hidden doors double as everyday furniture. Bookshelf doors, wall units, or storage sections can be designed to swing open and reveal a secret passage. These designs are both functional and surprising, making them perfect for rooms where you want to save space while adding personality. It's a clever way to merge utility with delight, a door that serves 2 purposes effortlessly. Which hidden door idea was your favorite? Bookshelf door, mirror door, wall panel, or understairs reveal? Tell me in the comments below. Another approach is using architecture itself to hide the door. Angled walls, moldings, trims, or structural lines can all be used to conceal the entrance naturally. The door becomes part of the architecture rather than a separate feature. This style works beautifully when you want a space that feels cohesive, intentional, and visually seamless. For more unique home design ideas, space-saving solutions, and creative architectural features, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Hidden doors can also be fun and unexpected. Think bold ideas that disguise a space in a creative way, designs that spark curiosity the moment someone enters the room. Love smart, stylish home ideas? Check out the full playlist for design inspiration, hidden features, and clever room transformations. Whether playful or dramatic, these concepts turn the hidden door into a feature that tells a story. It's not just about hiding the door, it's about revealing character. Want to recreate any of these hidden door looks? All the hardware, panels, and design pieces are linked in the description below. Conclusion and outro, 8:30 to 9:30. And that wraps up our creative hidden door design ideas. No matter your style, a hidden door adds an element.